Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I share with you the Lady Liberty, this beautiful crochet toy amigurumi toy of Statue of Liberty. I use a 2mm crochet hook and I just want to share you here how I basically made her. Starting with the legs, alright? First you crochet separately actually the dress and then you start crocheting the body, right? With the legs. And then you crochet together the dress over here when you arrive on the neck, and then you go on top for the head. All right, we crochet then later the hair, and the last part is this tiara that we sew it later. All right, so you can see here on the back parts of her hair and a little bit more details of the dress. The tiara is very nice. I'm very happy how it turned out. The free pattern is in the description below this video, so you can click there. It will go straight to the written free pattern. All right. Also, you can find it in the first comment here below this video, the pattern. All right. If you have any questions, if some part is unclear for you, please let me know in the comments. I have video tutorials for many patterns here, but now, as I already shared with you, I'm sharing once a video tutorial and the next time just the reading pattern. All right, I hope you enjoy my version of a Lady Liberty, and I hope you like her as much as I do. I will see you on the next Thursday. Bye!